Aniq here.
Ellen here.
Welcome to K2M Unboxing and Reviews. Today we're gonna be unboxing a Rideamals pony. So this is like a ride-on, and it goes 4 miles per hour, and it's like this, and it can carry 70 pounds. So this is it. This is the, and you can play with it, feed me, brush me, walk with me, dance with me. So this thing is pretty cool, dude. There's a lot of things you can do with it, and it has 2 speeds and with 100+ sounds. Whoa. So let's open it up. Okay, get back a little. Okay.
You need to put this in here, attach.
You attach it,
Okay. Then you just
plug it in.
Hold on, Muaz. Hold on. No.
Let me just take the things out of this box. So you just click it in, and then there's a screw. There's a hair brush, so it's very lying all the way. So over here we can use this. Oh, so
open up the
this.
charger.
Yeah,
It
I'm gonna open
attaches
this up right now.
here.
There's actually a tomato.
Apple? Oh, your pony is gonna eat apple? Okay.
So how do you steer it? So this will come over here. Maybe this is where to steer it.
What?
Here
Look at the
is
picture.
your charger. This is how it is.
Okay, let's plug in the charger. Ali, what is this?
This
You have to.
it attaches to here. You need to screw it on.
Okay.
So this is very cool. If you like it, it's gonna go very fast when we ride on it, right, Muaz?
Yeah.
You know?
Let's see.
So thank you guys for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel, and remember to like this video. And please hit the bell icon. Bye.